Now that the first letter of the three words are separated, we can align them by the center. We can take our selector tool and draw a bounding box vertically so that we select the three letters. Now that they are selected, we can align them. This is done by clicking on the Arrange pull-down menu and hover over Align. This will display the menu of different alignment types to choose from. When aligning objects, they are aligned to what is called the stationary object, which is the object that the other selected objects are going to be aligned to. Here we have 4 objects of different shapes. All of them are selected. Generally, the first object selected is considered the stationary or anchored object. In other words, all the other objects will align to that object. Let's see what each of these alignment types do. If we click on left, all the objects will align their left edges to the circle's or stationary object's left edge. Let's undo that by pressing Ctrl-Z. Clicking right will align the right sides of the selected objects. Let's undo that. Top will align the top sides of the selected objects. Bottom will align the bottom edges of the selected objects. We can have the selected objects align their horizontal centers, their vertical centers, or we can have all the centers of the selected objects aligned. Finally, the bottom half of the list has the same choices of alignment, except now the document page becomes the stationary object that selected objects will align to. Getting back to the drawing we are working on, we need to align the first 3 characters vertically. Therefore, we can choose Vertical Center, and this aligns the 3 characters. Our next task is to vertically align the other parts of the words. Currently, every character is considered a separate object. We need to put the characters back together so they are each considered one object or word, rather than separate characters. To do this, we'll select the characters of each word excluding the first letter, and put them together again. Let's do this with characters in the first word. We can use our Select tool and draw a bounding box to select the characters O-R-T-H-W-E-S-T. Now we can put these 8 characters together by clicking on the Text pull-down menu, clicking on Join Together, and there we have it. The 8 characters are now considered one object or word. Let's go ahead and do the same for the other 2 words. Now we need to align to the left our 3 partial words. Let's select them by a bounding box. Click on the Arrange pull-down menu, hover our mouse over Align, and click on Left, and make some final adjustments.